welcome to a very windy Thursday afternoon up here in Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. 3702 for Delta Connection, inbound from Detroit. Give our best to fight it. We got about a 30-mile-an-hour wind today. Yes, we are trying out the new camera. Still having a great day. Getting close to the end of the week here. And we got a United Embraer taxiing to 24 right. Apologize if things are moving around a little bit. It is very windy today. It's about 70 degrees, but it's very windy this afternoon. We got a line of showers and storms that'll be rolling in over the next couple hours, and then after that, major temperature change, and then we're supposed to get some snow this weekend. Southwest 5832 inbound from Midway, Chicago. Excited to see how these come out, see what kind of adjustments that we have to make in the future as well. Still not quite sure about my zooms and all that too, so we'll have to figure that out as we go. Zoom did too much on this one. Whoa! Boy, that wind is brutal today. Got a couple regional aircraft taxiing over here to 24 right. Not sure where the Delta's going. Oh yeah, that's the one that landed a few minutes ago. Ha, I knew that. We got a Antonov AN-12 that landed here this morning. I'm going to try to see if I can find that here in a little bit. Doing a special livery this afternoon. We were supposed to have had a second one, but unfortunately the equipment was changed. The American TWA was due in this morning. And I was going to move hell or high water to get here for that, but they changed the equipment on us. Got a Dassault Falcon 2000 inbound from IDK. The wind is becoming a little bit more of a crosswind at 23 right now. Watch this thing bounce around. Republic 4119 Embraer E170 heading to Washington's Dulles IAD. Nice and tight. Well, I gotta keep zooming in because it's so windy. So far, it's been too much as it is. Challenger heading out of Atlantic. 312. One of our business jets, destination unknown. About how well the radio is coming out through the wind. Exciting thing of this camera is that we can do live streams with it. If you're all interested in doing some live streams, Cleveland's not the busiest airport in the world. It wouldn't be as exciting as LAX or Chicago or some places like that. Frontier 2414. I'm going to zoom out this time and see what we get. Airbus A320 inbound from Phoenix. Sky Harbor, VHX. They had a major power outage the other day. United 737 taxiing in front of the maintenance hangar over there. That flight is heading towards runway 24 right. We'll get him taken off here in a minute. Still, I do apologize. It's like you brace against it to hold it steady, and then it either shifts or the wind dies for a second. It's like, whoa. Got a regional jet inbound. American Eagle, we'll just stay focused on this United. With all the taxiway closures, it is an adventure. Get over to the runway. Sector 532, contact Cleveland Center 120.6. Does look like the construction on 24 left is about finished up. Camera is capable of HD. At some point I want to upgrade to the 4K version, but I thought for now we'll just do this one. I'm going to switch 737s here. So we got the one United going out, and then there's the new livery one that's going into the gate. Evo Blue. 29, are you parking Charlie 20 livery special? Just smell the jet fuel. Pretty crazy. This 737 we've been following is 438. They're heading to Orlando MCO. There's our Frontier that just came in. Got another United inbound. get myself too intoxicated with the Zoom. Got another United 737. It's 1958. They are inbound from Chicago O'Hare. Ord, O-R-D. Hey, this was in a new livery. Flight radar 24 was not. Friend. A lot of hawks and birds of prey out there. Even in the winter, we'll start getting snowy owls and bald eagles as well. United 737-700 just landed a few minutes ago. They've got a pass in front of American Eagle 4543 for Envoy Airlines, and he's heading to JFK, John F. Kennedy International in New York. I really like it. Hawker 800 from Destinations Unknown, IDK. I don't know. I'll watch this thing get bounced around in these strong winds. Air Canada Jazz 729 CRJ 200 inbound from Toronto. Wearing the mask, the raccoon mask. Air Canada rolling in. Behind it, the skies are changing. Rain is moving closer. Mesa 6116 inbound from Houston. IAH will be down there next week. Do a trip report video for that. Can't wait. I'm flying down Monday. I need to be a pretty cool aircraft for that trip. Go back to tracking our Canadian friends. You guys see in a second, there's a United 737. It's taxiing over to maintenance. There's the 737. Hard to believe we're shooting probably 3/4 to a mile away. The wind sock back there is telling you it is a straight crosswind. Endeavor 4997 Delta CRJ inbound from JFK, New York's John F. Kennedy International. So you guys like nice and tight? Like a little bit farther out, let me know. West 3705 Delta CRJ, or sorry, Delta Embraer E175. He's inbound from MSP, Minneapolis, St. Paul. Does seem a little more controlled if I stay zoomed out. Piedmont 6062, operating for American Eagle, inbound from Philadelphia. It's a E145. American Airlines 1464. It's our Airbus A321 inbound from Phoenix, Arizona. Sky Harbor, out in the Valley of the Sun. Whoa, that wind. Do this on a not so windy day. Almost looks like a Delta hub right now. We got a CRJ lining up to take off. Another Delta CRJ heading over to the ramp, and then our A321 get ready to head down to Atlanta. Do you prefer the nose on the Boeing or the nose on the Airbus? What do you prefer? Zoom out here, you'll see that the clouds and the rain are definitely beginning to move into the area here. So that's going to be 3687. It's our CRJ-9 heading to DTW, Detroit. Hey, there's a business jet over there too. I didn't even see that. As the weather moves in, I'll Delta 1521 is ready to go. A321 service to Atlanta, ATL. We're in a tree. I think it's a Hawker jet. Look at that paint job. Pretty. American Airlines lining up to take it off. 737, 800. Non-stop action here at Cleveland Hopkins. I apologize, I did not get the information on this one in time. Southwest and United doing a do-si-do. Heading over here to runway 24 right. How fast Southwest is taxiing compared to United. I guess some of that he's in the foreground, but man, ready to go. Southwest waits for no one, but they are going to have to wait right now. Spirit 178. Airbus A320 inbound from Tampa, TPA, Tampa International. Gulf Coast of Florida. Welcome back. We're back to shooting with the iPhone. Part 2 of plane spotting on Veterans Day up here at Cleveland Hopkins. Thank you, veterans, for all that you've done. Whether you serve our great country, or you're currently serving, or you're planning on serving, or if your spouse is serving. Family, if you have one family member that's serving, it's a lot of sacrifice, a lot of blood has been spilled to give us the great freedoms that we enjoy in this country. So thank you very much for your service. Really do appreciate it. United heading to Tampa, TPA. Hope you enjoyed the new camera. I definitely enjoyed the zoom function on it. I definitely enjoyed the just kind of some of the flexibility I got with it. We're going to go out and try some new places and some different plane spotting areas as well. It does even get a new battery. So one downside of going used. So we'll have to pick up a new battery for it at some point. And we'll go from there. But it would definitely be great for using seeing maybe the parking garage or some of the other spots to check out, as well as maybe shorter days. We're only up here during our lunch break or something like that. Technically, I should be at work right now, but I'm gonna take a little bit of a break because I wanted to come up and try the new camera out before the rain and eventually the snow hits. American Eagle 3012 heading to Chicago O'Hare. Oh, new Corvette just drove by. Trying to get a video. Wind currently gusting to 20 knots, 20. Line of showers and thunderstorms moving into the area. Probably be here in the next half hour or so. We'll see how that affects operations. Nice warm day today. Temperature in the 60s, about 70 degrees. But once this cold front comes through, it's supposed to drop into the 30s and even maybe get some sticky snow this week. Not just snow, but snow that'll stick. This would be bumpy. A lot of PC-12 inbound from Raleigh, Durham, North Carolina. Hopefully they don't change the plan and that does come in. TWA was supposed to come in this morning. I've been trying to get that airplane for years. We'll be catching it until it started to get dark up here because the lights are freezing spot on this United 737 taxi over the 2 right. Background really quickly, see that other 737 that's been sitting outside is now going in the hangar. Getting maintenance over there. You have United Airlines maintenance and crew base. Mr. Cool, Peter. This is 455. Heading back to Chicago O'Hare. Headquarters for United Airlines. That's a good shot right there. I do apologize about the bumpiness. It is bumpy. United was waiting for about 5 minutes. I stepped away for a second. Heading to Ord, Chicago's O'Hare. This might be a first. You might be the first to see this United Airlines 737-700 in the new colors. Most recent photograph on planespotters and airliners.net and jet photos are all in the old merger there. So check that out. Skies are threatening. There's a special livery inbound for United Airlines. Hopefully that gets here before the rain gets here. Delta 2970, Airbus A321 inbound from Georgia, ATL. 736 heading to Toronto. New livery, Air Canada CRJ 200. Wow, just the old livery. Last week or so, it's been mostly the new one. Frontier 1045 heading to sunny Central Florida. Seymour the Roars heading to Orlando with MC About 200 people heading to Walt Disney World. It's a CRJ 900 inbound from Charlotte, CLT. $37.05 heading to Minneapolis St. Paul, MSP. For Endeavor, Delta Airlines, Delta Connection. United Airlines 737-900 inbound from Chicago. It's our Continental Heritage Livery. We'd walk over here really quick and catch the Kavik AN-12. It's an Antonov, a Ukrainian-built aircraft, one of the largest propeller-driven airplanes in the world. Not the, but one of them. They also build the incredible AN-124 and the AN-225. So some incredible aircraft from the Antonov group. for you to come over and check that out. This will do it for this edition of Spotting at Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Can't wait to do some more experiments with the new camera so we get better with the zoom and all that. But thank you all for the support. Really appreciate you checking the video out. We'll catch you next time. We'll be up here again either tomorrow or Saturday, or we might go up and check out another airport. So stay in tune to that. Thank you very much. Hope you all have a great rest of the week.